Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a how I lay my wig video. This is the wig I laid today. I did a little baby hair. It's like this is the first time I actually sat down and I tried to lay a wig, which is super hard for me, but I tried my best. You can let me know how I did in the comment section. But if you want to see how I laid this wig down, just keep watching. We're gonna go to the bathroom and we're gonna try our best to lay this wig down, so just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to try to lay this wig. I normally don't do the most, but I want to try it because I've been obsessed with like the freaking like how I lay my wig videos. So I want to try with this wig. I do have a review on it. I'll leave it in the description box. I forgot who this is from, so I'll leave it in the description box. I did dye her, as you guys can see. But when I was dyeing her or like bleaching her, she literally was smoking. So I don't know if that means that there's something in here that's not supposed to be in here, because I don't know if natural hair kind of like smokes when you put bleach in it, but I was freaking out. My hands were burning. It was just a lot. So anyways, so I did what I could, but I think it turned out okay. I wish it wasn't as brassy as it is. I tried to tone it with like purple shampoo. That didn't help, but that's besides the point. We're still going to try to make it look cute. So it is a frontal is a lace front, not a frontal, a lace front. And we're just gonna put her on. I've already cut her because in my review I cut the lace off of it, so it's properly to my forehead. So we're gonna put that on. Like majority of the time I would literally just like glue the sides or whatever, or bobby pin the sides and then finesse it. Like I don't do the most, so we're gonna try to do the most today because I don't know, I just really want to try it. But this part I feel like is super thin, probably because I've been wearing this wig and it's just thinned out and stuff. But I'm trying for it to not be too far down my forehead, because I know people say it looks more natural when it's not like all the way at your eyebrows. But at the same time I'm trying to like conceal my edges, because my edges come out far, as you guys can see, like on the sides, but it's no biggie. I think I'm gonna put the combs in, maybe. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start spraying it, because I don't really like to use Ghost Bond on my wigs too often, because it's like it takes forever. Sorry, I'm like hiccuping. It takes forever to take that off, and I'm like, ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna spray it. This is what I usually do, because this is so much easier than using the little, I think I sprayed my eye, than using the what is it called, this one, when you place it on. But whatever floats your boat. So we're just going to glue it down using my comb. Don't judge me. You guys are probably like, oh my god, what the hell is she doing? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's easier when you still have the lace on to do this, but I already cut it, so it is what it is. Because most of the time what I do is I just spray it and then I would just tie it down and then hope for the best. But I don't know if you're supposed to do it in sections or what. Let me hold it down and then spray, and then I probably should have got a blow dryer. So I ended up trying to like concentrate, so I'm basically just spraying and combing, because I always see people combing the spray into their lace. I'm like, let me try and see if that works. It was very difficult nonetheless. Like it took me like an hour to lay this wig, and I also did grab a blow dryer so that it'll dry faster, because the struggle was real. Like I was trying everything just to lay this lace down, but I feel like once I was done, like it actually did kind of lay. So maybe the combing method works, I don't know. I was just like patting it with the comb, because I know that if you pat with the comb it doesn't leave a white residue supposedly. So I just kept pushing it down. I even grabbed the brush, brushed it down. I'm like, I was just trying everything to lay this wig down. You don't understand. The struggle was real. But I ended up getting it all laid down. As you guys can see, I'm like, okay, look at it laid all the way down. So I'm going to grab some mousse and I'm going to lay down my baby hairs just to make it look more realistic, more like snatched, more like wet lace, but you definitely can see my lace. So I'm just brushing it down. With mousse, it's super easy because I feel like you can manipulate your baby hair so easy. So it definitely doesn't look like it's so easy because I struggle with baby hairs, but I'm definitely learning nonetheless. You know, practice makes perfect. So I trimmed down my baby hair a little bit because sometimes I'm so scared to like cut my lace or my wigs or my hair on my wigs, but like I feel like it's super important to cut your hair just to customize it to your face, because it's definitely not customized to your face. It's just like a standard, you know, look. So just make it your own, and it's okay to cut it and trim it and just make it look the way you want it to look. So I'm just sitting here struggling doing my baby hairs. I've like redid it like 50,000 times, and then I'm like, bet eventually, once I figure it out. I feel like I'm brushing it so much, you guys, like so freaking much. But once I got it to a place where I'm like, oh nope, wait, yeah, once I got it to a place, I blow dried it in place because I'm like, let me make sure it stays the way I put it, because I cannot redo this and I can't afford for it to move anywhere. So I like to blow dry it, and it just stays where you blow dry it. And then any spots that I had like little white residue, I just grabbed a little alcohol wipe and I wiped off the excess, because you don't want to see white crusties, because like, you know, you don't want to have white crusties in your hair. So basically wipe that down, and then I'm going to do the other side as well of these baby hairs. You're going to watch me struggle again. I am determined to get good at baby hairs. Pretty soon, one day, I'm going to have a layage of baby hairs for my natural hair, for my wigs, either or. They're going to be laid. So, I just got to practice and definitely take my time with things. Like, that's what I'm working on right now, is just taking my time and learning how to get better at things. So, you're bearing with me. You're going to see my journey of, like, how I'm getting better at things. So I tied it down. Well, I blow dried that section and then I tied it down because I'm like, this cannot move while I'm freaking styling my hair. So I have to cover up that track. So I'm trying to figure out how to flip my hair in what direction to where I want to style it. I wanted all the blonde pieces to be on one side, kind of the majority, as much as I could without the track showing. So I'm just sitting here figuring out everything right now. And then I'm going to comb this hair out because the girl is nappy. So I'm combing it out because I did just wash it. So when I wash it, I don't comb it until it is completely dry, because I feel like it combs better and it doesn't pull out the hair once it's dry. So I'm doing that. It looks nice. It didn't look so damaged after I bleached it, by the way, so it's kind of good. So now I'm going to curl my wig. I'm curling it away from my face in the front section, as you guys can see. I forgot what degrees my curling iron is at. I think it just is at almost the highest, the second highest. So I did it real quick. I did spritz it with a little bit of heat protection as well, just so I won't damage my hair. And then I'm going to clip it so that the curl will cool together, so that the curl will last even longer. I just see people do it on YouTube, so I'm like, let me try it out. It's probably good for some reason, I don't know. And then I'm going to curl in the opposite direction with the curl next to it. So I'll go backwards, forwards, just so that the curls don't combine to one. And I feel like it's more bouncy, more voluminous. So I'm just doing that. We're doing the same method. My hair got stuck in the curling rod so many times, but I'm just going to clip this up and let it cool as well. Alright, so I curled my whole head. I just did random curls, like some were backwards, some were forward, it just whatever I felt like, because I feel like when you do opposite directions it makes it like fuller, so I wanted to do that. So this is what the curls look like. I don't mind that it's shorter. Kind of wanted it to look a little shorter. So these are still cooling off. I guess they're kind of cool. So I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna take off my scarf. Hopefully my baby hairs are laid. Oh yeah, I took off my shirt, so don't mind my chubby arms. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's stuck. Oh, okay, it looks kind of cute. It looks kind of cute. And I wanted the blonde piece to be on one side because when I dyed it, I did it like two sides. As you guys can see, it has like a little blonde here, but that's not that big. Okay. Oh, I have one right here too. Let me take that out. I think I did pretty good. It looks nice. I may recurl this though, because I want this section to go back because that doesn't look right with it. My arm is just flapping away. Jeez Louise. That's okay, we're working on it. And then it's good to like flatten the top part just so it looks scalpy, because nobody's head is like bubbled up. So I'm kind of just gonna run this over. And I low-key kind of want to comb it out, but I don't know. Yeah, probably not, because that literally went straight. Wow. Oh, wow. She's cute. I did okay. As you guys can see, these are my baby hairs. I still need to work on it. I feel like I should have plucked this wig a little more, because I feel like this area looks really nice because you saw that it was like so thin at that part, but I think the rest of the places are kind of thick, but that's okay. But she's laying. Okay, well, she's a little flappy right here, but as long as you keep this part down, you can kind of like have a updo moment a little bit, as you guys can see. I think I did pretty good. This is like the first time I actually like spend time on trying to lay my wig down, and I feel like it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know what I can do to make it better. I know for sure I need to pluck this wig way more than I did, and of course I'm gonna add some concealer here or some powder just to make it look more realistic, but I feel like I can go out the house like this. It's not gonna be clockable. And let me know what you guys think about this bleaching situation. She tried it. She did that, I think. I like that it is kind of cute, like short right here. That's kind of cute. But this is the hair. I can show you guys the back. I don't know how it looks. That's the back. This is the side. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like me trying to do some wig videos, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave comments so I can get better at laying a wig. Let me know your suggestions on what you do or what products you use to lay down your wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.